Right, good day all. Today we'll be looking into how to join your online classes. Okay, so first of all, you'll be getting link of the specific department for the online class. Okay, so this is, for example, this is for community medicine. So you'll get the link, and as per the timetable, on the same timing, just click on the link. Okay, and this is gonna pop up. Okay, in the name section, first enter your roll number, for example 27, and give a space and write your name, Rahul. Okay, so that your attendance has been noted during the session. Okay, and just click on join. Right, once you click on join, it will ask for microphone and listen only. For the beginning, you just keep it in listen only mode. Now we have joined the Medvis, right? So if at all the student, the faculty is bit late, you'll be just waiting. And however, now you have joined. So now the faculty is gonna upload the presentation. So he'll take some time. So let me upload a presentation here. Okay, so we are doing that. Right. So the faculty has uploaded the presentation. In the meanwhile, let me see if anything is here. Okay, so the presentation is getting uploaded. Okay, so this is the presentation, as you can see. So today's class is on diphtheria. So the professor, when he keeps talking, you will be able to listen here. Okay, so he'll be making some marks, telling diagnosis and diphtheria, right? So we'll be having the next slide, which will be showing up. So main clinical manifestations, we have local inflammations and membrane formation, toxemia, and all those things. So that's how the class is gonna go on. Okay, so in the meanwhile, sometimes now to be more interactive, so we have different forms of diphtheria. Just a minute. Get into the system. Okay. There was some disturbance, right? Yeah. So now, going ahead, so the teacher may ask, there are forms of diphtheria. There are tonsillar, pharyngeal, laryngeal. Which is the most common? Okay. So you can tell. Let me ask. Tonsillar diphtheria is the most common. What do you think? Yes or no? I'll click yes. Okay, and you can click yes or no, and there is a polling where we can the student, okay, the sir is going to publish that. So you can see that from your class of 100 or 150 students, how many people told yes, how many people have told no. So this is how it can be, this one interactive. And send one more interactive question could be, tonsillar diphtheria is most common form of tonsillar diphtheria, and what do you think? Do you think it is correct or wrong? Okay, if you whatever you feel, you can just type. Okay, you can see now again the sir is going to publish your results. Once you publish, you can see that it's true or false. Okay, and yeah, so of course it's anonymous. You don't have to be afraid of your answers. Just click yes or no, and you're gonna get the answers. And also there is one more option. There's a private chat option. Example. Okay, so you can just click on here, and you can come to public chat. So there's a public chat, okay, where you can ask the specific no, or anything which you want to ask. You can just write. Okay, audio not audible. Okay, you can just click on that, so the professor or teacher will be able to see that and respond to you. Okay, right, so that's how you can have it. Again, public chat, you can see that. Okay, let's go back to our